Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to download TikTok videos without watermark using Snaptube application. First we will need to open our Snaptube app. Then let's click on more here. Let's choose TikTok is here. Open TikTok. Now we are in TikTok. Let's download this video by clicking on the share icon. Let's choose Snaptube now. Click on more. Here is Snaptube. You should have it in your phone. Then here we want to download a video. Let's click on download. The video is downloading. Let's check back in our Snaptube. Here is the video downloading. It is done. Now let's play the video. As you can see, the video doesn't have any watermark. Guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.